What happened with the homework? What happened with the homework?
For video,
Yes, 1 minute video.
I don't get enough
No problem. So you need to click your video right now, at this moment. Do it. So Sham can do it.
Okay, I
He is most confident person. So please go ahead and click one video. Okay. Start one video, record one video. Do not click, record one video, 1 minute video, that's it.
favorite politician and favorite actor,
Favorite food,
and
what was the last one?
favorite best friend.
Best friend. Best friend itself. So yeah, so you can choose any of them and then you can record one video.
He enjoys his life.
Okay,
His stress.
he's injured, then you can start. Start, dear, start. Come.
We not start and how you will start.
Yeah, you need to start one day. Anyway. Yeah, just go there, record one video. What happened, buddy? Yeah, that's why I just wanted to
It's
you know,
normal,
it's normal. Even he has done it.
Okay, I will-
He's also shy guy. What's the problem in just making videos? Say that. That's fine. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Record a video. Record a video.
30 seconds.
1 minute. Talk in front of your camera. Talk about yourself. Anything you can speak. Leave it. You can speak about anything. Anything that you really wanted to. Yes.
Hesitate.
Hesitation will go out, go away from you, from you inside. You will kill your hesitation.
Yes. I will not. If you want.
Yeah, that's fine. If you want, then he will click video for you.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Indu and today I want to say my favorite food. My favorite food is the chole bhature in Delhi. Sorry, in Delhi.
Like where you want to have chola bhaturas, you can talk about that place.
At home?
At home, do you cook yourself?
No, order या कोई भी नहीं जाता है.
Say that in English.
By using app, we order chola bhatura, and secondly, my brother he going to and buy chola bhatura and come to his home. And
My brother goes to the shop,
goes to the shop and buy chola bhatura, and he come to home, and we are enjoying chola bhatura.
we enjoy chole bhaturas all together. Yeah, with family. Great. You are the first one, huh? Who claps for yourself? Yeah. So now you can post that in that group. Yeah. Post that in that group only.
Okay.
Post it.
Abhi?
Yeah,
Yes.
post it. That's your task. Now it's your task. Do it. You can sit and you can record your video. Anything you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Right now I am
like a lot of foods like pizzas, chole bhature, and many more. I prefer to eat at the shop because they are fresh. You know, they are fresh. When I take pack him and take to home, it will be like cold or not so fresh. So I like in at the shop, and I like Domino's pizza and chole bhature is from Agarwal Sweets and that's
Right, right.
uh, and I like burgers also. I eat like one in a month,
Once in.
once in a month from nearby shop. That's it.
Cool. Post both the videos. Why I've told you to record video, let me tell you that. Then you can see yourself how you're talking. Okay? Over here, we're not just working upon the English. Look at me. Now you need to look at me. Okay? We are not working just only on English, okay? Spoken English. We are working on how we deliver our speech when we are talking with someone. So we need to increase our confidence. How we do it? When we look at the video. How we have, what are the expression when we speak on the video? Because you will improve when you start talking. Okay, it's just like you're it's just in front of your mirror and you're talking. It is not, definitely it is not, we are not habitual of doing that. Okay, but if you talk about bloggers, what they do, they have their phone or they have some gimbal in their hand, and then they start recording videos, and then they talk with other people also how they do it. Because they have habitual of they are habitual of doing it. That comes with the practice. Okay, so that is the reason. Start recording video and play it multiple times and look at yourself how you're looking. Okay, how you look when you record your video. Okay, how is your expression, how you pronounce that word, right? Good morning. How you pronounce your word. So those are the things very important. Okay, so every day you need to record video at least once. You can do multiple videos. I'll watch all the videos and give you the feedback to you guys. But you need to record the video. Why you haven't recorded the video? What about you? He met with the accident and he's working also. What about you?
I'm feeling not well.
You are not feeling well yesterday. How about today? You're having fever, illness, headache. Oh, you should have taken rest. Okay, no worries. So, would you like to take the session today?
Yeah, I take that. I will like to take session today. Yesterday I didn't also not made video because every time as I tried, my memory, my mobile memory was saying like, no, you don't have enough memory. So today I free my mobile's memory. That's why after that.
Sure. Record video because these are the students who learn from
Yeah.
this, right? Even I told Sam to do it. Actually, he recorded the video for the different group, and I told him that this video is required. For this group, we need the video so that we can encourage our new friends, okay, who are hesitating, right? She must be not feeling well, and he met with an accident. But you need to make video, man. Okay, if you're taking a last breath, also you need to make a video. All right. So very important because it's very important for our own betterment. Okay, for learning, right? So you can record video. If you're recording a video, you can record your progress also. Right? how good you're speaking. See, let me tell you that if you watch yourself right now, it is like we feel really not comfortable. Okay? It is a very uncomfortable situation wherein we record video, and because we feel like it's totally different situation. We are not in that particular situation wherein we're recording the video and then
Even
and
if we
sending.
stand in front of the mirror,
Hmm.
only on that time also that was a very awkward.
Yeah. Awkward. It is very awkward.
Yeah.
Definitely, it is very awkward. Let me tell you that if you must have seen animals like a cat or dog. If they see themselves, if they try to bark, right? Even they try to react also because they haven't seen that sort of, they haven't faced those sort of scenario before. So this happens. Okay. So our mind is designed like that. When if something comes up in front of us, so we are very extra cautious about that, right? If you know, like you are having pain in your hand, so like you have a cut on your hand, right? Wound on your hand, and then you got a pain, right? That seems that is automatically, scientifically, your mind says that you have a cut and it's pain and that it needs a quick relief. Okay, so scientifically start recovering itself. If the person has really good immunity system, then their wound, everything get they have really fast recovery. Okay, but the people, those who are old, right, their immunity system is very weak, right? So in that way, everything works out like that. Okay. If you do not feel like you have a cut on your hand, then how you get to know that it has to be healed faster, so that you get that recovery should be faster, right? Yeah. So let's have the video. Okay, let's make the video every day, right? And try to make it. If possible, you can make in crowd also, like where the people are there. Okay, try to make it. That will remove the hesitation. Okay, even when I was taking video yesterday, I was not feeling comfortable, but still I did it. I was sitting at MACD, and I thought that let's try out, make video, right? Okay, so let's start this session. Okay, and I will give the chance to Vandana ji. She can start the session.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today I start this session. I start with questions to yourself. Actually, I haven't prepared, but still I tried. Oh, sorry. So I asked to you some simple question, and you three are replied me in different way. Okay. Like if I ask you, how are you?
Yes, I'm good.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm also fine.
No, this is the same answer. How are you, sir?
I'm perfectly fine. I'm wonderful.
I'm feeling awesome. I'm well done.
I'm not awesome today.
I'm doing good. If you are not feeling awesome, if you are
You
not
can say that.
good,
That
yeah.
I'm not feeling well. That is different than
Yeah,
what
that is
you
different.
said.
I'm asking to you that how are you, and you should reply how are feeling you. Okay. Next question is where are you belong?
I belong from Japan.
Okay.
Rewari.
Are
I belong to
sorry, I use Hindi word. Where are you belong?
I belong to Rewari.
Diana?
Same reply you both.
Okay. My parents are from Rewari. Yeah, all my parents from Rewari.
Okay.
I belong to Delhi.
You can say that I'm from.
I'm from Delhi.
Okay. And you can also say that I'm from, I belong for, and one more answer there, sir. Where I belong
My native place is
Yeah.
Nepal.
My native place is Nepal. So you can say like that.
On that.
Okay. Yeah. What is your favorite place?
My favorite place Kashmir.
What is your favorite
I
place?
like Japan.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place.
It is also same answer.
My favorite.
Next time I will start with you because you
सोच
you will think that every time Sam has a simple answer and she
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
I
a
can
great
buy
summer
that.
for
Yes,
toughest
I
one.
can buy
This is Kashmir points.
you can say that I like to go there. Okay.
कहाँ जाएंगे हम?
Okay.
मुझे नहीं जानते सब।
Say where we will go.
Wherever, what is your favorite place? Your favorite place is home. You don't go. You don't go outside of home. Many people have favorite place home because they have homesickness. They don't go outside of home. So what is your favorite place?
As I said, I'm not getting the another sentence, but I would like to visit mountains. I'm a mountain guy. I'm a mountain guy. Even I visited couple of times Goa, but I didn't like much because of the crowd and I didn't like the beach because it was totally filthy and the water was smelling also.
So, yeah, you are replied only one sentence, but now
मेरा favorite is मथुरा।
in English.
Sorry, my favorite place is मथुरा।
Why?
I visit and be happy, relax.
I'm a spiritual guy.
That's peaceful guy.
Yeah, I feel peace if I go there. Now I asked to you and you replied in two sentences. Okay. Do you know English?
Yes, I know English.
One more sentence.
I like English. I like English.
Okay. Do you like English?
Do you like English?
Do you know English?
Yes, I know a lot of English. Not so perfect, but enough.
Very good.
I also know English because I want to learn English and
Your answer is different. Your both lines are different, not different to both sentence. Because you say that I know English, but I learn.
your question is do you know English?
Yeah.
I said yeah, I know English not much but I want to learn or improve my English.
Okay. If you say is this answer in negative way, so like you say that I don't know English. So what will be your two answers?
In negative way.
Yeah, in negative way.
अच्छा negative होगा।
If you tried in negative,
I don't like English.
okay.
Really.
Why you here then? Why you
This is
here?
real feeling of Hindu.
Why you here?
Yeah. I don't know English and I don't like it.
Not
Mhm.
full truth.
Okay.
Uh,
I am not a good English.
Let her try herself.
Yeah.
English is very tough for me.
Okay. Enough. These are two answers. Shyam,
What is it?
do you know English?
Do you like
You should reply in negative.
Okay. क्या बोलूं? In negative way.
Yeah.
I didn't prefer English because it's like tough for me.
What is your first sentence? I
Didn't prefer
didn't. Okay.
prefer English because it's new to me.
Okay, your first sentence in past tense and my question in present tense.
I don't prefer
I don't prefer English, okay?
because it's new to me.
Okay. Do you know English?
Yes.
You have to reply in negative.
I know English, but I'm not able to understand exactly whenever any person speak in difficult word that I'm not understanding. It's
Your
not
both
sentence.
Your both sentence sounds positively. Am I right, sir? Because I'm not even good. So I think Sam's answer is in positive sentence. He says.
I didn't
says-
notice.
He says.
What do you have said?
I know English.
I know English.
I know English.
If anyone speak in difficult words, so I can't understand.
Okay. How to say it? Because we know English. Simple as I don't know. Right? You can say that I don't know. Or you can say that
You can say that I don't know how to speak English.
I am not habitual of
Yeah.
to speak English.
Because it's not my native language.
That's my first one.
So you have your needs about to hold.
अरे वो कविता जी आगे पूरी करती हैं आपने
Maybe. Better than nothing.
Arun sir, we have some activities.
Yes, yes.
And I asked one question, all of you, and you replied in two sentences.
ओके
I also wrong. You have to reply in two sentences. Next question is. Do you know how to make tea? Sam.
Can I give the steps or my
No.
sentence?
Only two
Direct,
sentences.
don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
But I would love to. Or you can say that I
Only two
hate.
sentences.
Yeah, I know how to make tea, but I don't like to take tea.
You like to make drink. सर क्या कहेंगे उसको तो मुझे पिलाना पसंद है पर पीना पसंद है.
So
So.
Like I like to serve.
I
not
like to
to-
serve, but I don't like to take tea.
Do you know how to make tea?
यस आई नो
Four sentence.
यस आई नो मेक अ टी
How to make tea?
हाउ टू लाइक कैसे बनाते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
मतलब कि आपको चाय बनानी आती है? Do you know how to make tea? Your first sentence is yes, I know how to make tea. And second,
because every time I want to having tea. That's why I
Sure. You know how to make tea.
Yes, I'm very good.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you laughing?
But it was his question. Answer.
One sentence.
Said yes, I am very good in making tea.
Okay.
I prefer more milky tea.
Do you know how to make tea?
Yes. Uh, there's
Try.
I will try and I cook and I make tea for everyone and every day. I love to serve, but I don't like to
Drink.
drink tea.
So, do you know how to make tea?
I do, but how to say negatively right now? That's my question, right? I know how to make tea, but I don't want to serve to everyone because sometimes I feel like it's sort of slavery. Yeah, why should I, make tea every time?
Okay, have you ever been outside of India? क्या कभी आप इंडिया के बाहर गए हो? Have you ever been outside of India?
no.
Not by गर्दन.
Sorry, मैं बोला था. No.
In two sentences.
I don't go India के बाहर
Outside of India.
outside of India.
I haven't go.
I
I have not go outside of India. Am I right, sir?
No.
I haven't gone. That is gone. I haven't gone out of India. I haven't got the chance to go out of
श्याम has क्या श्याम ने आपसे एक और सेंटेंस चुरा लिया क्योंकि आपने दो सेंटेंसेस बोले हैं. One more.
I don't go to out of India.
Don't use don't.
Sorry,
You should use have not.
I have not don't go to India
Outside of India.
outside of India.
Repeat your
But-
sentence again.
I did
Until you don't speak fluently, you repeat.
Yeah, that's fine.
don't answer.
I haven't gone.
I haven't gone.
I haven't gone
I have gone
outside of India.
outside of India.
Repeat.
I have gone.
I haven't gone.
I cannot.
Have not gone.
I have gone.
I have
I have
not
not gone
outside of India.
outside of India.
Repeat.
I did
Repeat the sentence again. I have not gone.
I have
लिख लो कॉपी पे उसको. Next.
ठीक है, second sentence.
अच्छा मेरे को but maybe I have chance to out of India. I give it yes. Just
Yes.
answer. But not a truth. This is पसंद नहीं है.
Great.
Sam.
Okay. I also haven't been outside of India, but one day I will go outside of India.
I did not go to out of India, but I get chance. So then I want to Dubai because in my dream I want to do job in Dubai.
You should answer on 2 sentences. You said 4 sentences.
As my native place is Nepal, so I went out of India couple of times because wherever I get the chance.
So I have 4 answers.
Shall belong to
Out of India,
Out of
so
India.
it wasn't very easy for him.
But I think
India.
Nepal is not accepted visa. I think.
So visa is not required if you wish to go to Nepal. You can just need to carry your ID proof. If sometimes people may ask you to show your ID proof, then you can show your ID proof like Aadhaar card, your voter ID card, driver license, remote card.
Bhutan is the capital of Nepal, right?
Kathmandu is the
Kathmandu.
Nepal. Bhutan is
Bhutan
is different.
is different.
different country. It's country. It's country.
South side.
Different country.
That is also different country.
Northeast. Northeast.
अच्छा नोट इधर
Down
की
right
साइड
here.
से पता है ना नहीं मतलब इधर की साइड से मैप में
North
से
is side. North is
Nearby Himalaya.
वो इधर की साइड है ना इधर नीचे का हुआ
But I think Bhutan is capital of Nepal. I think.
No.
Kathmandu.
Bhutan is the native country of Nepal.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that.
Boundary like
It's border.
this is
Neighboring-
Nepal, this
neighboring
is
country?
Bhutan.
What do you say,
Yeah.
neighboring?
Neighboring country, not native, neighboring country. What is your native place? What is your native place? Like where are you belong? So it's a different means answer should be same, but way of asking is different. What is your native place?
Palwal.
Mathura.
Haryana, I think, na?
Mathura.
वो तो
Mathura.
अच्छा
Your
अच्छा
native place is Mathura. You
She
say
starts speaking.
yeah. What is your native place?
हमारे प्लेसेस मतलब
Second.
मतलब ये तो कर्म बना रहा है
मुंह खोल के बैठा करो.
You look at me, not him.
तो समझ नहीं आया कि
आप कहाँ से belong करते हो?
दिल्ली से
She is belong from Delhi.
Well, I'm from Delhi.
You can say I'm from Delhi and my native place is Delhi, and you should say my sentence more.
There is another way also say that. To say that.
I think I want to add I was born and brought up in Delhi. I think she said. He can say.
आपको 2 सेंटेंस बोलने हैं एक
लाइक
तो
बोलने तो हैं
हाँ
लेकिन
क्या आपने बोल दिया कि आपका नेटिव प्लेस दिल्ली है
हाँ दिल्ली है इतना तो मुझे भी आ गया लेकिन मथुरा कैसे हो गया
तुमने बोला था
नहीं वो तो मेरा
फेवरेट प्लेस
Favorite place था।
ठीक है आपका नेटिव प्लेस दिल्ली है एक और बोलो
आई लव दिल्ली
ओके Sam.
I was born and live in Delhi, and my father and my grandfather is from Mewari.
I born in also Delhi, but my parents from Nepal, so
So you are Nepali.
I think we have degree in out of country. I think.
I go out of country.
Yes. As you see.
No,
She was asking ki when
I was
Yes,
asking
yes.
that
Last
what
question,
is a
last.
better, what is a better place?
I said कि last you were
My last,
asking last question कि have you visited to out of
Yeah.
India?
I-
He said कि I belong from Nepal. So Nepal is other countries, no?
at that time he didn't answer.
I think, sir, Nepal comes in India's
Okay, suppose like
borderline. I think is it correct, sir?
What?
Nepal comes in under the map of India.
No, it
No.
doesn't come under the map of India. They
It's a boundary of India.
like this.
Like Myanmar, it's the boundary of India. Nepal, Bhutan, China,
These are called neighboring countries.
Pakistan.
These are called neighboring countries like Pakistan,
So we can
Bangladesh,
say it's
Nepal.
outside of India.
Yes, you can say.
It is out of India, definitely. Because it's a different country.
Means all the neighbor countries, they or neighbors countries, they all
Neighboring
are
country.
neighboring countries.
Neighboring countries.
Neighboring countries, they all are we can say it's out of India.
Country means different, right?
Okay.
Country, state.
Mistake.
In state you have cities, and in country you have states.
What is your native place?
My native place is in UP, but I was born and brought up in Delhi.
Okay. Sir, what is your native place?
I hail from Nepal. But
I hail
hail from Nepal.
here.
Hail.
Rajasthan.
HAIL.
H-A-L-E, I think. Even I forgot the spelling, but
HAIL, the meaning, different meaning.
HAIL, I think.
most probably it's H-A-L-E or H-A-I-L.
So what does
you
it
could
mean,
check.
hail?
What is the meaning?
Hail means from, like you are from that particular place, so you can say that I hail from. That is more appropriate way of if you are referring to some like your native place, then you can say that I hail from. It's common in India, like I belong to this place. People say that, but that is not the correct way of saying it. In India, it's fine, but if you go out, then they do not understand that. If you're talking with some American or US, they don't understand that. They may feel that they may not understand because that's not in their culture, right? They do not speak that way. So it's totally different. So people accept over here because we are habitual of speaking. But that's fine. A lot of people speak, that's okay. But if you really want to know that this is the proper way, instead of saying that, you can say that I'm from or I hail from. That is the proper.
Okay. In which field you are skilled? In which field you are skilled?
In Excel,
Are you
and
skilled?
right now
Speak in full sentence.
I am very good in Excel. I am very good in Excel and VBA also. Right now I'm learning coding languages like C and Python.
Sam, in which field you are skilled?
I am skilled in my drawing.
Art and craft
Art.
or only drawing?
Art means art and craft and this thing.
One more sentence.
Okay. Because whenever I do the drawing or art, that's I haven't noticed how much time will go on 6 hours, 7 hours or 5 hours continue.
I'm in good multiple language like Excel, Power BI, VBA, Python also, and it is my hobbies.
If you talk about my skills, then I'm good with leadership skills and public speaking, HR tools and HR tools, and soft skills, communication skills. I cannot recall all those stuff right now. Yeah. Couple of skills I've written in my resume, so I need to go through all the skills.
In
I have many skills.
Many skills.
मतलब मेरे टाइम I like
Yeah, you can.
like to drawing and writing, cooking also. So yes, but for my skills, I'm nervous. Maybe I'm happy. I do work for drawing, handwriting, and spend time. I want to spend time 1 to 2 hours in my skills.
That is called as calligraphy.
Calligraphy,
I recall it when I went. I thought of writing it, but I forgot.
what is calligraphy?
Calligraphy is stylish writing.
Stylish.
Okay.
cursive writing.
No,
सही
no,
नहीं, वो
it
तो
doesn't come
writing
under.
का नाम होता है.
Yeah, that is the style of writing. Cursive writing. But calligraphy is art of writing. You can do graffiti.
Like wall.
You can.
Wall drawing.
Yeah, graffiti is different. Graffiti means big. Like it's just graffiti comes in all like drawing everything comes in graffiti. But calligraphy is just letter, playing with the letter.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, show me some calligraphy. Okay, show me. Send pictures.
मतलब इतनी अच्छी तो नहीं है.
English. English too.
It's not a good, but I have tried.
Yeah, try it.
In
It's
my
okay. And you can
You
show
should try.
it.
You should try.
You should try because it's really good skill.
Be very demanding now.
Why are you coming here?
I'm learning to English. I've come to.
coming here.
I'm coming here to learn English.
Very good. Your
That's
percentage is
why
very good.
I come there.
I want to listen differently. Your first sentence also like that. I'm coming here to learn English. That's why I'm coming here. Your second sentence.
Both sentences are same.
Yeah, both sentences are same. Your second sentence.
The first thing is I want to come because I want to improve my communication skill and I want to learn English. That's it.
Not help.
I suggested it.
I'm improving my English. That's why.
I'm coming here. Shyam, why are you coming here?
I come here to learn new things
Okay.
and improving myself.
Shyam.
In a week I 6 day comes 6 day comes come to class because I want to learn English and speaking English.
You don't come in for 6 days here.
Not 6 days, almost 5 days. Sorry.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to improve my communication skill and I want to groom myself.
I love speaking English, and that's why I thought that I should teach and help English students.
I'm coming here to improve my English, my communication skill, my speaking skill. Because I know that I don't enough good to speak English and in any language communication. Okay, so these are questions Today you replied in two sentences only. In two sentences you are stuck. But yesterday or by when I have chance to teach you, I must say that you should reply in 3 or 4 sentences, same questions. By this you should improve your sentence making skill. Okay, and you improve your like speaking skill, your thinking skills. Am I right, sir?
Question will be same.
Actually, I was thinking something else.
Okay. Question was same. Question will be same, but your four replies are different and in 4 sentences. Like it make a 1 paragraph.
Okay, you
Question will one.
4 sentences into 4 sentences are into 4 rounds and 4 sentences are into
Each one questions of what step.
so you will have, I will have to prepare 4 sentences.
Yeah, I want to say that today I asked one question and you replied in 2 sentences.
sentences,
But you have to practice in 3 or 4 sentences. If you replied
But
in,
you will have to increase 2 sentences.
yeah. And every question has multiple answers.
Each
Your
questions.
question is same
answer will be
different.
4 to 5.
Yeah.
And each.
In Hindi also we replied in different ways.
But I think sir is saying, sir was saying कि Hindi not use, I think.
I don't say that you should you can use Hindi. I say that in Hindi also we replied in different ways. So why not we replied in English in different ways? Now you
What
understand.
she was saying that today we have tried 2 sentences, okay,
Yeah.
for that question which she has asked. So in next session, what we can do, we can try for more sentences, because that's how you can learn how to make sentences. Okay? That is called as sentence construction. It will take time, but if you try, then only it will happen. Then you'll be able to do it. That's
Question
it.
is, question is, what's your native place or?
No.
It's not like that. Question
was
can
not
be random.
same.
Eh,
Question
oh.
was different.
Then
You
she
were
will
saying already, question are different.
Question will be.
Question will be different. Like how many trees are there?
Question can be.
Your
different.
reply was 4 trees are there and one more sentence with nothing more to say.
I think-
Question will be different and answer also will be different. We 4 are here. If we are 6 member in this class, so 6 answers will be different.
Let's
Got
try
it.
with the more simple.
Yeah, that's right.
Sentences.
More simple sentence.
More simple sentences.
questions.
Yeah. Like basic questions, we'll try with the basic questions next time. That at least you will participate more. Right?
5 different question, each one
Yeah,
question.
like your favorite pet.
4
Yeah.
different answers.
You can say pet, you can say about tree, you can say about the traffic, you
But I
can say
think
about the.
you have to suggest and you choose any topics and
Okay.
I think it is my opinion.
You can give or you can
Okay.
from yourself.
If I take class for tomorrow also.
Sure.
Okay. For tomorrow, you should sorry. You have to speak here and as like you are a tree. If you are a tree, you have 8 to 10 sentence. You are standing here, okay, and you present like I am tree. I give you oxygen, okay. I give you medicines, like you are tree. And your pen,
Things can be anything.
you will be
Everything.
pen, and you will be letterbox. Letterbox.
Letterbox. Okay.
Okay.
For the letter.
Envelope.
Yeah.
We letters.
You should prepare
You
8
know
to 10.
letterbox.
Letterbox can
You pretend like you are letterbox.
Okay.
I am letterbox. I use 4 days.
It's a
Feelings बताना
electronic
है।
Yeah.
letterbox or it's a
मतलब वो कैसा लगता होगा उनके साथ क्या करते हैं बेचारे।
हाँ.
Important,
Don't cut me.
important of trees.
Yeah.
Okay. You want
I am
me to
free. I provide you that thing. Don't cut me. Like that.
you will say कि what is the important of trees. Okay.
And you, your computer.
That was the good one. Good.
This is
Good
my
outfit
favorite
that
topic.
you have been
Yeah.
into.
And I can speak 15
You can
lines.
speak. You can speak about 15 minutes.
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, behave like computer, behave like tree.
Yeah.
Okay, what you feel inside about the humans
If
also.
you
You
were
can
really
talk
pure.
anything. You can
Can.
talk anything.
But your topic is good, I think. Topic is
And
good.
you are talking about letterbox now.
Letterbox.
Yes, that.
You search in
Like
Google.
you are
what is
letterbox.
letterbox?
I
Okay.
know letterbox, but
You are here and you.
where
When you go
postman
to-
will give the
Yeah.
put the envelope.
Not postman put the envelope.
Feel like you are a
Public.
tree.
Yeah.
Okay, feel like you're a
Feel
tree.
like you are
So
letterbox.
then just
Hello
imagine
friend,
that
I am letterbox.
what
I'm here
what
for
exactly that tree think themselves. Okay, so you need to speak in that way, right? Like feel that you are talking with the humans. You get the chance. You have like feelings. You have feelings, and you get the chance to speak with humans. Then how you express your feelings. So you can praise yourself that what are the benefits
You
that
have
you're
to say
providing to
do
the
and
human
don't
beings.
both. Like do this, and don't do this.
I can do this and I cannot do this.
No, I am letterbox. Okay, I am happy for you. Okay, and uses for you. Your uses. Okay, and what public are doing with you, and what is your तो अभी आपका स्थिति क्या है इस टाइम पर?
Now
Means अभी तो आप फिनिश होते जा रहे हो.
Yes, yes.
अभी तो लेटर बॉक्स फिनिश होते जा रहे हैं.
Definitely.
आफ्टर कमिंग मोबाइल फोन.
mobile phones
People are
already
not using
already-
the
already-
Letterbox.
letters
Hmm.
for the communication,
But
just
no,
for
no,
notice,
but
just for the notices and bills that you're getting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you do not write letters to
Yes.
your.
Only formal
Anyone-
mails are
anyone-
posted.
does not use letter.
Yeah. Your topic also
Past
very
and
serious
present.
topic.
It's interesting.
Yeah, it is
topic.
interesting.
Yeah.
It is interesting. Make it interesting, man. Yeah, make it interesting.
I will give answer in different way.
Yeah,
Search in
definitely.
Google that helps you.
Try out in different way and feel like and plus pretend like you are a
Next
tree.
Siam is pen. And pen has power to do
Yes.
anything.
Yes. Pen.
Pen is like down.
I have a pen.
I will take
Yeah,
my
after
ink
coming
is
mobile,
finished.
after coming mobile, people don't use me. They write only messages.
If someone knows the power of ink,
Yeah, if someone has power of pen, they can change the country, they can change the
or India's law,
or government.
government is government.
You can hang any man in the
We write the exam
We
and
write
my
exam.
sorry, I am writing the exam and my pen is that.
like Indo has many ideas for you.
Try out. Try out.
Okay.
There is a real book.
My session is finished.
Okay, Indo and Shami can go.
सर इसका एक कुछ सवाल है इसको कुछ डाउट है नहीं मतलब इसको ना ऑफिस में
कोई हेल्प नहीं करता, फोन करता कुछ नहीं.
कौन हेल्प नहीं करता?
क्योंकि वो पानी में ऐसे ना छोड़ के
देखो
हमेशा फोन करके पूछता हूँ.
आजकल ना 5% लोग होते हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं, 95% फोन करते हैं. सपोज अगर आप
Sir, I know.
वर्किंग इन डेटा
My title is also
तो
not
पहले data को
please
collect करो।
correct me in between if I.
और डेटा
Sure, sure. I'll do
से
one thing. I'll watch
Friendly
the
हो जाओ।
videos. Okay, that is
डेटा क्या कह
that
रहा
is
है
homework
आपसे?
for me also, and I'll share it to you.
बस मैं एक लिंक शेयर
I
करूँगा।
feel that some
अभी याद कर लूँगा।
sentences needs to be
उसको रोज
corrected,
watch करो।
so I'll share it.
तो रिपोर्टिंग में अच्छी पकड़
So
बची
one of the thing that
और कोई हेल्प नहीं करने वाला बैठा होगा
feedback that I've already given.
कैसे करना है इसको कोई मतलब नहीं लगता कर रहा है तो तुम लकी बट 99% कोई हेल्प नहीं करता कोई नहीं करता विल हैव ठीक है तो मैं आपको लिंक शेयर करूँगा और डेटा को आपको खुद अंडरस्टैंड करना ठीक है आप किसी मोटर नहीं बैठोगे मुझे बताया